red spot there, Gop.
Yup.
Almost 8 minutes. Any last words?
Well, if I had to do it over again, I'd add a little bit more paint and paint on a less moisture day.
That's
A
it.
lot of moisture in the air today. It's humid.
That
Yep.
would help because it will help the paint.
No,
The
it
paint dries
turns
so
into-
fast.
The moisture turns into little bubbles of water in the paint.
Aww. Alright, bye-bye.
First upgrade in 80 years. Should have been longer than that.
Good job, Gops.
Thank you.
Alright.